Hello, my name is Moisan and today I'm going to be making homemade chocolate peanut butter brownies. First of all, we're going to preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl here, I have 275 grams of caster sugar, and to that I'm going to add 150 grams of melted butter. And we're going to whisk this together.
Damn, bro.
Now we're going to add our eggs one at a time.
Look at the drip. Look at the drip, my guy.
To our mixture, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients. So to begin with, we're going to add 75 grams of plain flour, 75 grams of cocoa powder,
Ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow.
and just a little bit of salt. And we're just going to mix that all together. Here I've just got 100 grams of dark chocolate that I sliced into little chips, and we're going to add this to our mixture. We're now going to grease and line a baking tray. Now we're going to add our brownie mixture to our baking tray. And now I'm going to take my batter and bake it in the oven for 35 minutes. Okay, now we're going to make the peanut butter component of our brownies. So to begin with, I've got 125 grams of peanut butter. We're going to add this to a small mixing bowl. We're also going to add 125 grams of icing sugar and also 60 grams of melted butter. And just give that a good mix.
And we're just going to leave the brownie to cool for about 10 minutes before we apply the peanut butter topping.
Now we're going to take our peanut butter mixture and spread it on top of our brownies. Now we're going to move on to the final chocolate layer. Okay, so I've got 100 grams of milk chocolate here, and to the milk chocolate I'm going to add 50 grams of butter, and we're just going to melt this over a water bath. Okay, now we're going to take our chocolate, oh that's hot. Now we're going to take our chocolate mixture and pour it over the peanut butter layer, and then just spread it out with a palette knife. Oh, look at that. Delicious. Okay, now we're done with the chocolate layer. We're gonna put the brownies in the fridge to chill for 30 minutes, and then they should be ready to serve. Okay, now I'm gonna slice this using a straight knife into 8 brownies.
I like colour contrast. It's quite cool.
That's fire. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.